This here is a Barnwood coaster, and they make excellent gifts, and this project is so easy, anybody can do it. Now let's get to work. We're going to start with a 4x4. This one happened to be a porch post in a cabin that we took down. Now all you're going to need to make these coasters is a chop saw. I like to make my coasters about a ½ inch thick, and the reason is that barnwood is old and brittle, and you don't want your coasters to crack. Now that's perfect. Now what you do is you cut several of these bad boys and then you wrap it in twine. You're ready to go. Step 2 is to gently sand the edges. I like to sand each piece with anywhere between 80 and 100 grit paper. It just takes the edges off and prevents splintering. Step 3 is the fun part. I like to put my own brand on each one of them and then tie them up with a piece of rope. Okay, so now you got it. 6 barnwood coasters, easy to make. It's even got a bow on it.